Welcome back to Tech Tools for Educators. Are you tired of spending countless hours crafting presentations? Today, we're excited to introduce you to Gamma, an AI-powered tool that revolutionizes the way you create interactive lessons. This innovative app streamlines presentation design, lesson planning, and student engagement, making your teaching experience more efficient and engaging than ever. So grab your coffee and let's explore how Gamma can supercharge your classroom. Let's get started. First, locate the link in the description below or browse our web address. Click on either to be directed to the Gamma homepage. Once there, initiate the free sign-up process by clicking the Sign Up for Free button. You have the flexibility to either seamlessly continue with your Google account or manually enter your email address. After a brief account creation process and answering a few simple questions about your preferences, you'll be guided to the main Create screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll have 3 user-friendly options at your disposal to begin crafting your presentation. Gamma offers 3 intuitive ways to start your presentation. Paste text, have a pre-written script or a ChatGPT-generated outline. Simply paste it into Gamma and watch as it automatically transforms your text into visually appealing slides. Upload files. Got existing content in Word, PowerPoint, Google Docs, or even a blog post? Upload your file and Gamma will seamlessly convert it into a dynamic presentation. One-line prompt, let AI do the heavy lifting. Input a simple idea or sentence, like teaching fractions to 5th graders with real-life examples, and Gamma will generate a comprehensive presentation outline and design, saving you time and effort. Let's see Gamma's magic in action. We'll use the one-line prompt, teaching fractions to 5th graders with real-life examples to create a presentation. Watch closely as Gamma generates a professional-looking presentation, complete with engaging visuals and clear explanations. Once Gamma has generated a comprehensive outline, you're in the driver's seat. You have the freedom to customize your presentation to your exact needs. Rearrange slides to fit your preferred flow, add or delete sections to tailor the content, and even edit the text within the slides. To visually enhance your presentation, choose from a wide range of stunning themes. For our math lesson, let's select a cheerful theme that will engage our young learners. This is where Gamma truly shines. Leveraging the power of AI, Gamma suggests visually appealing layouts and relevant visuals to complement your content. Want to add a bullet point to emphasize a key point? Simply type it out or give a brief prompt to the AI. Need images to illustrate your concepts? Gamma can either source images from the web or generate custom AI visuals that perfectly align with your topic. For instance, to enhance our lesson on fractions, let's add a real-life example of measuring pizza slices. To further captivate your students, seamlessly integrate interactive tools like Google Forms for quizzes or YouTube videos to provide additional context. Gamma makes this effortless. By simply typing A, you can access a range of powerful blocks for embedding media, charts, and even third-party apps. Let's demonstrate this by adding a quick Google form to conduct a class survey on their favorite pizza toppings. Once your presentation is polished and ready to share, you have a variety of options. You can easily share it with your students or colleagues via a direct link, email, or even embed it directly into your class website. Gamma also offers valuable analytics, allowing you to track viewer engagement. This insightful feature empowers you to gauge the effectiveness of your presentation, making it a true teacher's dream come true. With Gamma, crafting professional, engaging presentations has never been more streamlined. Whether you're preparing for lessons, workshops, or team meetings, this powerful tool saves you precious time while significantly boosting the impact of your presentations. Ready to experience the future of presentation creation? Click the link below and dive in. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech tools for educators. See you next time.